Okay, here's a short video with my Android phone connected to my DTX1 LNWI, and I can run engine driver on it. It connects up. I can select my engine from recent locomotives, turn the bell on, short horn. So what's interesting is, since I have JMRI running on my computer over there, if I turn this on, it'll find the server being broadcast on JMRI. Swift 0. Getting all the messages sent from the JMRI server. I'm going to set the address. I'm going to use the roster, so I'm going to spin it over to Santa Fe. I think it's San Francisco for some reason. 2354. It'll come up and ask me if I want to steal it. I'll say yes, short horn. And it steals it. Well, it's interesting because the LNWI knows, oops, got to set my speed to 0 again. The LNWI knows that it was stolen, and it takes out of the throttle. Now, on the other hand, if I go into the LNWI, ask me if I want to steal it, nothing changes. And both of them control it. Now, if I release it from either throttle, the other one will have no control because it puts it into a common mode in my slot monitor. So if I dispatch it from here, I'm just going to go all the way around. It dispatches it. So now it's dispatched. Now on this one, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't react at all because it's in common mode. So I have to release it and then select it again. It's funny. Do I want to steal it? Yeah, I want to steal it. Steal it from myself. So there it is. Now if I take it from this one and try and steal it, I won't put it in neutral. Now it'll select that locomotive. Now it asks me if I want to steal, so I'm going to say yes. As soon as I do that, then it takes it off the LNWI. But not so the other way. Steal it, yes. So if I dispatch it from here, now this has got no control. No bell, no horn. So I have to dispatch it and then grab it again. Now the bell will work. Short horn, horn. So now if I have it on this throttle, the LNWI, it'll ask me if I want to steal it, and I'll say yes. So now I'm controlling it from the LNWI throttle and the Swift throttle. Now if I select it in another JMRI throttle, all three of these are controlling it. So if I dispatch it from any one, turn it back to 0, it still works. So if I dispatch it here, this one now has no control over it. The last throttle on there has no control. So let me put another one back on it. It stole it from there. It didn't ask, it just stole it. And this one subtracted it. So on JMRI, it doesn't care about stealing. But if I release it, okay, still good. Doesn't ask about stealing, it just says set the speed to 0. Now either one will control it. So if I release it from this one, I'm still controlling it. So the LNWI is the only one that really cares about stealing.